Bedai bagajing pang COVID-19. Kidkot jok yang dorbar tawan ke jelam Meghalaya hanya kesni kilarai ban yang langkawai bat banekon ni ke kelam COVID-19 hadu ke bakut. Nadu ke sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hadu unong ilam kaliang persya kiriusan pertai klem daken ya keseng ke bakidon. Kila kemi ya kejinglong jingman na ke jingpang COVID-19 ha ke jela. Speaker ke yang dorbar tawan ke jela oba met ba alengdo uloong ba ke jingyalang jong ini kita khot yang dorbar tawan ke jela kelalong ke basai so bat ke lemi ke jing ai jing mut ki batai uloong belada don kam ken sepelong biang yakum ke ni ke jing elang ban pentip syaki brio dako we kesur ba ke ai ke bakile kalong nak benta ke babahatam ya ki brio menteri rang ba ke jela Konrad Kongkal sangma uloong ba ke kubor ba kongsan kalong bagi nong elam baro ke trilang ke we menteri rang ba uloong bawa da pedeng ki jing ke sorkar jela ka persyang bantrei ya ke babha bat kanele ban shim ya ki jing ajing mod jong barolang kum ga jing rap pedeng ki jing ya ki pat ba ke sorkar pedeng kalasya ki dukan bat ki jing syakri bade ki mar bamde ki badan kam man kesngi ban plien adu menta kesngi ya kum kini ki dukan ke badan ki shnong lasya ban ple wat pedeng ke jing pakhang Hendrai ki yo ki bahap opo uput jong ki municipal corporation bat ki we ki jaka municipal kin pat omla ban ple ya kini kejing penjensur shimla ai ki dukan haki yo ki bahe ki mall bat ki jaka babun ke bayo apang COVID-19 bat ki jaka ke badan hapo ka jing te alakam ya kejing pang ka tenat korbari ke sorkar pedeng hne kesngi kala pensyai babro ki dukan haki thanong kendong latno ki mall haki badan haki thanong kendong ki lala ban ple haki jaka sor ki dukan baro ki badan haki jaka basa ki brio ki lala ban ple Kajing dan kebayo ya kejing pang COVID-19 hakari India kalakiyo sya ka arpsa wajar san spa andriu ngut. Kat ba kejing dan kebayap kalong nyo spa nyo pesan ngut. Katenat kakot kakya ke sorkar pedeng kalong ba kejing dan kebayo akan kejing pang kibadang im kilong kat prahajar andriu spa andriu pu prangut. Kombasan hajar andriu pu arngut kibriu kilakot bat la pelat no yaki na ki jaka sumar. Kadon kadak jong ke jingkermen ha ba ki jingken gi pen I ba ke jingdon ki bakot na ke jingpang COVID-19 kala nang kiau kat banang mi kisngi. Wada pedeng ke jingdon ki bayo akan ke jingpang hakari kalong arpusa wajar sans pa andreungut. Hendrai kidak ki pen I ba menta kala poi tang arpo point hendreu na ke sispa ha ke shibenai balalet. Ki jingken na ketenat kakot kakhya ki pen I ba ha ke jela Arunachal Pradesh, Goa bat Manipur baro ki balayo akan ke jingpang kilakot menta. Ka Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR ka laong baya sanlak nyop kenda hajar kendai spa nyop santeli ki nomuna ni ki sampel lapa test ha ki laboratory jong sorkar ba jong ki riu shimet ha kari India hagawai pat kaliang ka ICMR kalanang penbuan bat penklanya ki jaga test na gebenta ke jingpang COVID-19 na ba ajing itu yakini ki laboratory jong sorkar ba jong ki riu shimet kat haduk mentala itu ya arspa nyopu arteli ke laboratory jong ke sorkar bat prapu nyau teli ke laboratory jong ki rushimet banle ki test na ke benta ke jingpang COVID-19 nyopusan milian ngot ki breo he India kila download ya ke Arogya Setu mobile app ki mobile phone jong ki Menteri kena ketenat electronics bat IT ke sorkar pedeng Sanjay Dhotre uleo jingtip syafangkanie habakmi punya ikilat balashim de ketenat baper bat kiwe ki kenhon jong ketenat kakot kakhya ha kene kapor badang trekam ka jing pakhang ya kene ke jingelang ban kmi ikini kam la penlong hne kesngi lengba ke video conferencing Ka sorkar Tripura kalau hukum bantoket halor kejing keno bala pendon kambakla ya kepisa na gebenta bantiet ya ki COVID-19 test kit bat kiwe ki tiar hapo ka National Health Mission bat ke sorkar Tripura kala pen kenria ya arngut ki he sorkar banyo le ya kejing toket le tho we menteri ke sorkar Tripura hne kesngi Yau Secretary Ketenat Pelatengka Kejela Utanu Shri De Barma, Madu Secretary Ketenat Penroisor Ukiran Gite la hukum bakin toket halor kene kejing keno bapenon kambaklai kepisa bat bagi haban ai kakai pot kloi kat bala loong Menteri Ketenat Ki Kaman Kejela Ratan Lal Nath. Parlok nong sngap liok sngo mentan ya ki kubor kerpang ha kebede bak kejing pang COVID-19 ya kebala walam syapi daka Regional News Unit jong All India Radio Shillong.
This is All India Radio Shillong. We now bring to you a special roundup on COVID-19. In a reprieve to public at large, central government has permitted the shops providing non-essential goods and services to open from today onwards. The registered neighborhood and standalone shops have been permitted to open amid the coronavirus lockdown. However, market complexes within the limits of municipal corporations and municipalities will not open. The exemption has also not been given to shops in marketplaces, multi-brand and single-brand malls located in municipality areas, coronavirus hotspots and containment areas. Home Ministry today clarified that all shops in rural areas except those in shopping malls are allowed to open. In urban areas, all standalone and neighborhood shops and shops in residential complexes are allowed to open. The number of COVID-19 cases in the country has climbed to 24,506, while the death toll rose to 775. Health Ministry data said the number of active COVID-19 cases stood at 18,668. As many as 5,062 people have been cured or discharged and one had migrated. There is a silver lining with statistics showing that the percentage of cured patients from coronavirus is improving day by day. The total confirmed cases of coronavirus infected persons across the country have reached to 24,506, with the numbers continuously on the rise. This figure has now reached to 20.66% over the last 1 month. Health and Family Welfare Ministry data reveals that in Arunachal Pradesh, Goa and Manipur, all patients were cured. Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) has said that 5,79,957 samples of COVID-19 have been tested by the various government and private laboratories in the country. Meanwhile, ICMR is continuously scaling up its testing facilities for COVID-19 by giving approval to government and private laboratories. As of now, 272 government laboratories and 87 private laboratories chains have been given approval to conduct the test for COVID-19. 75 million people have already downloaded Arogya Setu app on their mobile phones. Minister of State for Electronics and IT Sanjay Dhotre was informed about it while reviewing the initiatives taken by different departments and undertakings of his ministry during COVID-19 lockdown through a video conferencing today. The Tripura government has ordered a probe into an alleged misappropriation of funds for purchasing COVID-19 test kits and other materials under the National Health Mission (NHM) and removed 2 officials for an impartial inquiry, a minister said today. State Finance Secretary Tanushri Deb Burma and Urban Development Department's Secretary Kiran Gite have been asked to inquire into the misuse of the resources and submit a report at the earliest. State Law Minister Ratan Lal Nath said Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb has ordered an inquiry into the matter after former Health Minister and BJP MLA Sudeep Roy Burman wrote to him alleging that the government's fund was misused in procuring COVID-19 kits, Nath said. State Health Secretary Dr. Debashish Basu and NHM Director Aditi Majumdar were removed from their present posts for an unbiased and impartial inquiry, he said. Listeners, that was a special roundup on COVID-19 brought to you by the regional unit of All India Radio. Please stand by for the program that follows.